Alright, $230 later and we are out of this place. Dang, bro. This has been happening for a long time. Watch and learn, boys and girls. Watch and freaking learn. Can you turn that shit down?
Oh, you think darkness is your ally? You merely adopted the dark. I was born in it, molded by it. I didn't see the light until I was already a man. Then it was nothing to me but blinding.
Welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are making our way up north to Harrisonville, Missouri from Arlington, Texas. If you haven't watched the previous video, we had two drops. One was in Pauls Valley, Oklahoma. One was in Edmond, Oklahoma, I believe. And yeah, we're on our way to Harrisonville. Let's go over here to Quick Trip first, and then we're gonna go down there, check out some of them cool trucks, also known as Peterbilts. They have that 389, and they have this one, Pride and Class.
600 feet, turn right onto South 45th West Avenue, East 85th Street.
Damn, lady, give me a freaking break, man. Green one is Pride and Class as well. And that one looks like old Hurricane truck. Hurricane Express, or it's still Hurricane Express. Oh, they just took it on a trade-in, what it looks like. Orange.
Head west towards South 49th West Avenue, then turn right onto South 49th West Avenue.
This one's Pride and Class, and that one's Pride and Class. Yeah, these are old Hurricane trucks, Hurricane Express. That's where the truck's real exhaust is, right there. Also known as grass burner. And these are just for the show, these stacks. Hey there, Mr. Blue. What's up, my friend? You ready to go, buddy? All right, let's hit it. One solid left on here, and that's it. Easy freaking easy, man. That makes crazy, man. Buddy, looks like the semi-truck burned to the ground, man. Truck and a freaking trailer. Just the trailer. We're almost in Joplin, ladies and gentlemen. Almost in Joplin. 10 more minutes, I believe, something like that. Here we are. Welcome to Missouri, everyone. Well, let's see if we're gonna get a green light or red light. Green light, red light, green light, red light, green light. Well, thank you, Missouri. Thank you very much. Whenever you hear that kind of beeping kind of slow, that means it's a green light. But whenever you hear like a fast beeping, you know, like beep, 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 that means it's a red light. Looks like 4 assholes in their personal cars working today. I need more sleep, man. Need more freaking sleep. Let's go do that over here. Yes, sir. Let's go all the way down here somewhere, away from everybody, so that we can sleep in peace. Hell yeah, buddy. That nap was freaking amazing, man. I'm telling you. Much needed. It really was. Look at this dumb moron. That guy and this moron, look at him flying to the truck stop. That W900 driver was waiting for another driver to back in over there. And all these other assholes, first one Indian and then a Swift driver, are just flying by. And that guy, he's waiting on that guy to back in. The professional driver who has courtesy, and the other two assholes, steering wheel holders. Oh. I saw one. All right. Ah, I feel like a new man, brand new dude. Look at this W900 right here, this red one, man. He's got a huge ass sleeper. He's got a shower in there, a bathroom, and everything. Looks freaking nice, man. Dang right, buddy. But that blue Peterbilt right there, that thing is freaking nice as well. I think. That's the guy that was waiting for flatbed to back in while those other assholes were zooming around him with no care in the freaking world, man. It's not always a good idea to nose in, like I'm nosing in, but you know, you gotta be smart about it. If you're gonna nose in, like let's say you nose in for the night and you get up in the morning to go, you wanna make sure that nobody parks behind you during the night. And right here where I was parked, nobody would come here to park behind me, so. Yes, sir. Or even if somebody did, guess what would happen? Knock, knock. Who's there? Oh, this is a girl driving this 389 over here. Okay. I was like, why the hell is that person looking at me? I know why. Alright. No, I'm just messing around. But yeah, it is a girl. And yeah, she was looking at me. No, let me start over. She was not looking at me. She was looking at the truck. Nobody ever looks at me. Everybody always looks at the truck. Good are you? Alright, $230 later and we are out of this place. Dang, bro. Did I need this? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. This is what I got. Centering wheel studs. Let me see if I can show you how it goes. I can't take this stupid pointy thing off, but basically it's a centering stud. You need 3 of them per wheel. And you know, to center the wheel on here perfectly. I don't need them, but I want them. I don't have any like vibration in my truck or anything like that, but you know, usually people who have some kind of vibration in it, they get it and they put it on, but I do not. Well, let's try not to get ran over right here. That wouldn't be too nice.
Welcome, professional drivers. As a courtesy to other drivers, please pull forward from the diesel island when you are fitted fuel.
All right, time to leave Joplin, Missouri. Let's start heading up north. I think we got about 2 hours so we can find a parking spot at Sapp Brothers or Sapp Bros. Same crap. Dang, buddy, you freaking go, man. That's a valve stem for semi-truck tires, and it can really ruin somebody's day. So do the right thing. Find it and toss it away. All right, come on, mofos. I gotta go. I ain't got all freaking day, man. Are you ready to go? You stupid blue asshole. You dumb motherfucker. Huh? Ah, you fucking idiot. Let's go. Excuse my fucking language. Alright, let's roll on out, ladies and gents. Let's go. Walmart is waiting. Walmart is waiting for us. Step on it, freaking assholes! It's accelerating lane, dumbasses. Well, it's not these two, it's that hotshot driver, truck driver wannabe. Stupid asshole. You see, this is why we have problems in trucking, okay? But this has been happening for a long, long time. Like, I know there was a Bosnian trucking school in St. Louis that did the same thing. They would convince this dumbass state trooper that does the exam, you know, to take a bribe and, you know, pass somebody who doesn't deserve to be passed for their CDL test. Well, they just got a trooper up in Massachusetts, and yeah, he says he was passing brain dead applicants. So that means none of those assholes should be on the road, and they were not supposed to be on the road, but they paid this guy off and he let them pass, you know. And I know this happened in St. Louis with Bosnian trucking school, like I said, and they were all caught and they had to go retest. When I was taking my test in St. Louis, there was a guy that came to retest. That's what I'm trying to say. Spit it out, asshole, already. People are waiting for you to finish the story, bruh. And I'm sitting outside waiting to go do my road test, and there's this Bosnian guy coming back with the examiner, and he's cussing at this truck driving school owner. I'm like, what happened, buddy? What's going on? He's like, I freaking failed. I was like, well, how? What happened? Well, this asshole, he was driving for years, for at least a couple years before he got caught, you know, and he had to do his he did his pre-trip in the parking, and he did his parking over there in that big ass parking lot that they have in St. Louis at you know, Highway Patrol examining office. And whenever he was about to go on the railroad, whenever he was about to go and do a road test, the examiner lady told him there was a railroad track drawn on right there on the exit of that parking lot. And she told him, what would you do if there was a train coming here? And he just kept going. So she failed him like right there and then because, you know, he didn't understand her. He didn't speak English. So, and yeah, he failed. Good. I mean, I'm sure he, well, I don't know. I can't be sure, but maybe he did get his CDL back somehow. I don't freaking know. Yeah, man, this happens a lot, bro. It really does. So I've been here for a while in Harrisonville, organizing everything, cleaning, separating all my tools, everything. Because I'm gonna take some of them home that I never used. And my lights are on, and now the truck won't start. So, but luckily I have a reefer, so that's not a big deal. Alright, let's kick this bastard on to continuous mode. I got long ass jumper cables, and that's not P, that's diesel. In case my fuel filter gets clogged up, I can change it and then add diesel in it. Alright, so got the jumper cables hooked onto a reefer, onto the battery, and now this fucker will start. Watch and learn, boys and girls, watch and freaking learn. There it is. That's how it's done. So none of these guys straight up ahead are supposed to park here. Those are not parking spots, but it's necessary sometimes. Well, let's see. I think we're gonna be able to get out. Without breaking this guy up. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're good. Sometimes it's necessary, you know. Like, where the hell you're supposed to park, man? It is what it is, you know. Can't be mad at anybody. That's a nice W9 Honda. Matching stainless trailer combo. I mean, yeah, I've seen good trucks before. I've seen one of the trucks down here at Walmart actually. Almost messed up here at this delivery, man. Almost. I mean, thank God I am cautious and I like double checking stuff, man. So I set my alarm for 3 a.m. 3:03 a.m., 3:06 a.m. because I'm like, my appointment is at 4 a.m. But then before I go to sleep, and I lay down, and luckily I wasn't able to go to sleep, so I roll over and I'm like, let me double check the array confirmation. I checked the array confirmation, and my appointment is not at 4. It's in like 30 freaking minutes. So I'm like, oh my God, man, I dodged the freaking bullet there, man. I'll be late. I will be late like 4 freaking hours, man. But let's go in here real quick, use their facilities and go in there. this is a good lesson for me and everybody else to always double check and triple check your appointment time so that you don't mess it up, man, because it could have been bad. I mean, I could have faced like late fees and, you know, being forced to sit here for days, wait for the appointment time. You know, could have, but hey, thank God I didn't. So there's another one of them loads of eggs. Picks up 7 a.m. in Springfield, Missouri. He delivers same day at 9 a.m. in Springfield, Missouri. Then it delivers again same day at 9:30 p.m. in Springfield, Missouri, and then it goes down to Dallas, Texas for delivery at 9 a.m. and then another delivery at 11 a.m. in Dallas, Texas. That's one of the stupidest loads I've ever seen, man. It pays good, but hell no, man. I would not do that shit. Especially like it goes in a freaking what is it? What is that? He goes to Associated Wholesale Grocers in Springfield for 9:30 p.m. that same day, and those guys, I mean, I don't know. I've had okay experience last time I was there, but you know, it's nothing to write home about, you know. It's a big ass line, bruh. Alright, so I got the paperwork turned in, but I was checking in at a guard check. He said back up to the door with your doors closed. Take the paperwork in and they will call you whenever they want you to open the door. So I turned the paperwork in and the lady said you can go ahead and open the door. Dock, chalk, disconnect, snap some pictures and bring it in for me to see. I was like, dang it lady, can I walk all the way over here? I really like the way this reefer looks right here. Yes sir, I don't like to carry a unit, but I like the trailer itself. Alright. Oh, okay. We're far away from the door to where we can open it. Hell's yeah, my friend. Hopefully that one pallet is still standing up. I mean, it should. I see no reason that it shouldn't. Yes, it is. I don't know what kind of fish or shrimp it is, but it might be cooked because it smells. I can smell spices. So, I don't know. guy, he's got he's watching videos, and he's got his Bluetooth blaster. Hey, can you turn that shit down? Are you able to turn that down a little bit? Are you able to turn that down a little bit? Yeah, 'cause you woke me up. You have it all the way up. Stupid fucking asshole, man. No courtesy whatsoever, bro. What a fucking moron. Man. You fucking kidding me, bro? You come here in the middle of fucking night to Walmart and you're a dumbass local driver and you're blasting your fucking videos, whatever the fuck you're watching. Stupid fucking cocksucker, man. Well, good morning, everyone. We are still here in Harrisonville, Missouri. Go in here, do our thing. Gotta brush the teeth. You gotta brush your teeth, buddy. Get ready for early morning, you know what I'm saying? Get ready for another day, buddy. I'm gonna have to brush my teeth in the truck. It's dangerous territory in that bathroom, either early in the morning, but it looks like. I can't go in there. Too many dudes taking a dookie early in the morning. You're not going? Alright. There's nothing worse than a selfish driver who doesn't think about other drivers, who only cares about himself. You know, last night when I was jumping my truck, I was parked between two other trucks, and when I was removing my step over here to access the batteries, I was very careful. I set my step down gently because it's aluminum and it will make a lot of noise whenever if you drop it too hard on stupid concrete. So I don't wake another drivers. I go there to Walmart last night and there's this dumb fucking moron that does local runs, and he's got his music blasted in there like some kind of show, watching something. I was so mad, man. I was itching to yell at him like really freaking bad, but I didn't want to wake that prime driver that was right next to me, you know, because it would, I don't know. But yeah, man, don't freaking do that, bro. Whenever you're somewhere at the truck stop where it's nice and quiet, you know, at night or somewhere delivering, don't be loud, bro. Don't be loud, man. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. It's much, much appreciated. You guys stay safe out there. I will see you on the next one. Take it easy.